So here we are back in 2.83 running the EN 719.1, so it's an older version. This is something that always drove me crazy. So we're going to take this cube SZ and then we're going to press D, change over to circle, and look at the circle that just came out. This is how the circle comes out, and it's because the scale didn't get applied fast enough whenever we began drawing this cut. And so because we have unapplied scale in object mode, I'm telling you, this thing happens so much and it drives me crazy. However, we see that once you go in and you draw it the second time, it's actually fine. So let's right click and cancel. Let's just scale the cube back up. And this time we're going to draw, and we see that we're back to the same position because we're not able to apply the scale fast enough for us to perform this operation. This is something that's been resolved in the latest version. I'm so happy about it. It drove me crazy. So we're just going to scale that down, not even apply it, cut, press B, roll the wheel in, shift F to flip it, click to apply, and we're done. Just like that. So to show it again, we're going to just scale it back up, not even apply it. We see that the scale over here is unapplied. So we're just going to begin drawing the circle, and you see that the circle does not have to be canceled and redrawn, which is something that used to happen to me all the time. It would drive me crazy. And I'm just glad to say that now scale will be applied fast enough whenever you're working with an unscaled object.